Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Smartsheet proofing for document approval trails, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Smartsheet proofing for document approval trails, first, log into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the workspace where your document is stored. Locate the document you want to enable proofing for and open it. In the document view, click on the proof button located in the top right corner of the screen. If this is your first time using the proofing feature, you may be prompted to set up proofing. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the proofing environment. Once set up, you can drag and drop files into the proofing area or click on Upload to select files from your device. After uploading your documents, select the specific files for which you want to enable proofing. Choose Start Proofing to initiate the review process. Next, invite team members or stakeholders for feedback by entering their email addresses. Set the proofing deadline by selecting a due date that aligns with your project schedule. You may also add custom instructions if necessary to guide reviewers on what to focus on. Once all details are set, click on Send for review. Reviewers will receive an email notification with a link to the document for. As reviewers provide feedback, you can track comments and changes in real time. You can respond to comments directly within the proofing interface to clarify any points. Once all feedback is collected, you can make necessary adjustments to the document. When finalizing the document, indicate approval within the proofing panel. This will create a trail of approvals and comments for future reference. To review the history of comments and approvals, go back to the proofing panel anytime. By following these steps, you will successfully enable Smartsheet proofing for effective document approval trails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.